Blacksmithing is a craft that is incredibly personal. Throughout all the people that you can look at and who are blacksmiths, you can see so many different styles making the same thing, so many different ways, just to end up with the same product. This is one of my most favorite things about it. It is so versatile, and it shares so many differences. Blacksmithing is an art that teaches you patience and skill, because if you don't have either one of these, you're going to fail. And many times, through my lack of patience, I have failed in my goal. So being patient and using your skill is one of the best things about blacksmithing.